Something came in the mail today. Yay. So we're going to do a box opening because this is his Team USA uniform. Are you excited?
Yep.
Okay. Go ahead. What is the first item?
A lot of stuff in here. Alright, well, first is the hat. Looks like. Should I just...
Yeah, open it up.
Okay.
I can't wait to see what these things are.
Okay, yeah, this has my name on it. Sweet. Hold on. Trying to find the, Hold on. There we go. Alright. So this is what it says. And my name's on the back.
USA national team. Nick Cushman. All right, put it on. Let's see. How's it fit?
It's good.
There you go. Looks nice. All right, what else?
This might be the actual uni, I think. Oh wait, there's like a bunch of these. Okay, so. Wait.
I guess open up one of them. You got a lot of shirts? What is all that stuff?
These all the same. Practice jersey. Podium jersey, and okay, so these are both podium jerseys.
So this is your uniform.
Yeah. So this is what this looks like.
All right, good thing. Okay, there's the front. And what's the back? Whoa, nice. And then open up the, what's that one?
It's practice jersey.
All right, so while you're opening that up, I'll get a better look at this. Put the shirt on the floor to get a better view. So here's the front of the shirt. And on the sleeve, you have the flag with the dragon boat on the top, and that is the symbol for Worlds, that emblem there with the star and the dragon and the paddle. Pretty cool. And you got the American flag. I like how it goes from like this bluish here and just goes across. And then over here on the other sleeve, you got a star. And then I'll turn it around and I'll show you the back. Okay, so here's the back of the uniform shirt. And again, you have the World's symbol here. And USA national team. And I like how they put this on the bottom. We have the 14th World Nations Championships, Pattaya, Thailand, August 20th through 25th, 2019. So exciting. So there's the back. What's the other one?
So this looks like it's the practice jersey. This is the front.
Oh, nice.
And the back.
I love it. These are nice uniforms. USA did good. All right, so let's see. So while he's opening up whatever that is over there, and I'm really, really, really liking the shirt. I like how they put Dragon Boat on the front of it. And I'm getting a little bit closer. There's the words. I have the American flag on the sleeve. It kind of goes up in a V there. So that's kind of nice little touch there. So I flipped this awesome shirt around, and here's the back of the practice shirt. And I really, really, really like it. I like the large letters. I like how the date is on here. It tells you all about it. So, on to the next. All right, what else you got?
These are the uniform shorts. So
Okay.
it's a nice color.
These are heavy.
Yeah. And this says
You like those, Kiki?
order dry blend. So half and half t-shirt.
Very nice.
Oh, it's nice. Nice material. Alright. There's nothing on the back, but
USA Dragon Boat.
yeah.
Nice. Let's do that. Oh, this is a nice shirt. It's like Christmas, Nicholas.
Yeah.
USA Dragon Boat. All right, what else you got in there?
This is the pullover. And this has nothing on the back either. So
So you got a nice pullover. What's it like inside? Oh, it's a nice material. No
Yeah.
fuzzies inside. Oh, this is pretty heavy. Oh no, it is. It is kind of, let's see. So I got everything lined up here to show. So that is a t-shirt. It says USA Dragon Boat. And then over here, he has like a zippered pullover. And it is fuzzy inside. So it says USA National Team and his name. Here's his hat. Has his name on it. Here is the practice jersey. Over here is the full uniform. That is the front of the shirt. So that'll be what they'll be racing in. That's the front. There's the shorts. And then that's what the back of the shirt looks like. So, pretty exciting. So Nick will be wearing this in July when he races, and then of course in Thailand at Worlds. Whoa. Lots of stuff. It's like Christmas, Nick.
mm-hmm.
And then we got a few extra shirts of these, of the uniform, because he can trade them when he's in Thailand. So I know that Christopher, being that his girlfriend is Russian, wants Nick to trade one of the U.S. shirts for a Russian team shirt. So you go, I guess, around the Athletes Village and you can trade shirts with other countries, other teams. So this is pretty exciting. Pretty cool box opening today.